So what happens after the interview? Well, if you made it through, congrats. That's, I'm sure, an experience that's quite different than the rest of your life. One of three things will happen in one shape or another, one format or another, which is that you'll be approved for permanent residence, which will be amazing, and receive your green card. Or the officer may ask for more information. So it's called a request for evidence. And you may have had one sometime before in the process, and because it could be issued at any point, but that's a possibility. And another possibility is that the officer wants to deny your case, and they would most likely issue what's called a notice of intent to deny. And that would specifically list out the information that goes against your claim of a bona fide marriage or of your qualifications for permanent residence, and you'd be given a chance to respond to those. If you get that, I would again highly recommend that you seek out the advice of, a good immigration attorney, because that means they want to deny you, and you really want to have a good strategic response against every single charge that they make. Now, assuming you're approved and you become a resident, I would highly encourage you to continue collecting evidence of your marriage, of your bona fide relationship. And this is especially the case if your marriage is less than 2 years old at the time you become a permanent resident, because then you are subject to a condition on your permanent residence. And in the 90-day period before the second anniversary of your green card, of receiving your conditional residency, you need to file the I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence. And this will be filed by you and your spouse. And yes, there are situations where that may not be possible. Then I highly suggest, if you need a waiver or something like that, you should speak with an attorney. To be ready for that, you want to be collecting evidence of the similar type that you've prepared for the adjustment of status process. So financial records, photos, or other things, but do collect information, because that'll help you file that, removal of condition 2 years later. And then, if all goes well, then by your third anniversary of having first received your green card, you would be eligible to file for naturalization, to apply to naturalize to become a U.S. citizen. So for that, and technically you can apply 90 days before your third anniversary, and we highly encourage you to do so. Now, this depends on each country, because the country that you are a citizen of may have different restrictions, or you may have to renounce citizenship. While most countries, it'd be possible to keep that and become, a dual citizen or beyond. But I think it's really, that's a really the most exciting thing to do, in my opinion, as an immigration attorney, to naturalize to become a U.S. citizen. So that's something that you can look forward to. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and check out our full green card interview prep tutorial at www.adamlawgroup.com/tutorials. For only $20, you'll get a complete step-by-step guide to prepare you for your interview. If you like, don't forget to follow us on our social accounts, where we post content relating to immigration and business law.